this is client tutorial number 2 in the Jets GPS CNMS client tutorial series. The first one was how to view live footage. This one's how to view historical footage. So you go into the playback section. Oh, just stop that. And you select your device. Like with the live footage, the ignition's got to be on. We do put an hour delay on the ignition to give a chance for anything to be downloaded. But if they're showing as grey, then the DVR is turned off. So you'd select the vehicle, you'd select the date. You can be specific with the time. So if you know what time an incident was, then you can be very specific to get down to that. You click on search, and anything in green, that means that the ignition's been on, the DVR's been recording. Anything you see in red, that is where the driver has pressed the panic button that we install in the vehicle. So say there's an incident or there's something the driver wants the office to know about, they can press that panic button and it's much easier to see and get to the footage that you want. You see that the time is logged there as you scroll along. You double click and there's that camera. We want camera 2. That's the forward camera. We want camera 3. You get the gist of it. You just double click on them and you can see where it is. And if you want a different time, you just double click on the channel that you want and the time that you want. And that is how to view historical footage. Oh, one thing to mention, we put in a 1 terabyte DVR into these vehicles, and depending on how much ignition on time, which in theory is driving time, that's going to give our clients about a month. If you do need more, then we can put in a 2 terabyte. So that's everything for viewing live video on the CNMS system.